In 2022, I left my cozy, comfortable corporate job in order to start a rebellion in the activewear industry. I spent months sampling fabrics, looking at factories, talking to suppliers, and now 3 years later, the first production is finally up and running. So this week we're going to go to Portugal and check it out together, and maybe even squeeze in some sightseeing and a morning run. Who knows? Crazier things have happened. And because all our money goes into making the best clothes possible, I flew Ryanair, stayed at dubious hotels, and ate corn cakes for most of the time.
The glamorous life of a fashion entrepreneur.
Gorgeous artwork in the hotel. I'm a strong proponent of work from bed, so I started today doing some design work.
I've been going back and forth with the designer for the packaging design.
Estimating size distribution for our jumpers.
But they're like in all gender styles, so it's hard to estimate how many you need of each size because they distribute differently.
And working with my designer on a new style we're developing. Quick sneak peek. We still had a couple of hours to kill before the factory visit, so we did some sightseeing.
Where are you?
Oh, I have no idea. But it's Bom Jesus? Something like that. They went all out on the staircases. They also have some of the best fountains you can see.
The fountains were a true celebration of orifices.
This is a tribute to all the people with eye disease. This is to remind us that we have ears. This is to remind us that we have a nose. This whole project was sponsored by a famous otorhinolaryngologist, also known as an ear, nose and throat doctor. After that magical experience, it was finally time to go to the factory. Can you tell I was nervous?
Are you excited?
I'm really excited. I'm like a bit too excited.
Right, your destination is on the right.
First view of the factory, what do you think?